All right, good morning. And today is November 13th. It's a Monday, 2023. And it's the first trading day of this week. We have been out like 10 days or so. So it's the first recording we after a vacation. And this week we have a very loaded calendar, right? We have a CPI that's gonna come out tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time, and then we have a BPI number also, and jobs claim. Also, we have this week we have right here the week of 13 to 17 we have the so-called option expiration, right? It's right here standard. So the third week of every month right there. Yep. For the pre-market today, let's see. Let we refresh this. It's Monday, so the pre-market is very low. The volume is about 800 thousand share, which is low. Normally you want this to be 1 million or above 1 million. That would be a good number right there. But for today it's about 856 and 0.45, and it dropped 0.33 for pre-market right there. Okay, so here's the 1 minute time frame. You see it's open at 4:39:22, which is below the close of last week, right? Last week's close at 4:40.60, so it's open 4:39:20. So it opened, like more than $1. $1.38 below that. Yeah, $1.38 below that. And you see the new week opening gap right here, it opened below that. And you see this level is the total entry short for 4-hour time frame. That's the total short right there. If if we trade the pre-market, we put in the sell order right there when reach that level. Let's open the 4-hour time frame. You can see right here. So basically, you got 4 breakout right there. The total short 4 breakout right here at this level. Put right there. You see, as soon as it go up here, we put right there. And if we enter right here, then we are in a good trade right there. So it consolidate right here. Let's see if it go below London low right there. What time? So the London low around 10:30 give us some idea right there. Let's see if by 10:30 or before 10:30 it go below London low and it will never come back that level, then we know that that day is going to be a bearish day right there. It looked like it gonna breaking low. See right here, it got 4 breakout, right? Breakdown, and then a pullback, retracement, and then one more like down. Let's see how it's doing right here. Yeah, look like gonna come down, right? If we look at the smart money technique diversion, you see that at 8 this guy make a high, right? High, but they're gonna make a lower high right there. Yep. So basically it do a buy sell liquidity grab before going down. So if you want to go long, don't do right here. That's not a good place to go long. And if we want to go short, then what's the reason? Let's see. We want so it opened at 439.22. Right, last week it's closed at 440.60. So it's closed $1.38 lower. But it's quite surprised that on Saturday it really rally. I watched the NBC News and the guy, I think Larry Flynn something from the BlackRock, basically he said that there are lots of money on the sideline and people want to invest, and they say that they can tolerate the volatility. They look forward to 5 years and 10 years from now. That means a lot of big fund they're gonna go and buy it. And also I read the book about I think Super Trader by Van Hart. Basically in the book he said that the seasonal tendency that in November until May there are lots of upside for the stocks. The reason because of all the mutual fund or the retirement or pension fund, they get their money during that time. So when they get the money, they have to allocate and buy the stock right there. Because mutual fund or pension fund, they have to stay 100% invested. So if we understand that we have to explain why in the October it really dropped, but then Then start on November, it's jump. I mean, you look at the chart on the weekly chart right here. You see, start from July, it start going down until October, and then when you go to November, the end of October and beginning of November, it's the largest, one of the largest candle we see for the weekly right here. Huge. Let's see. That's the week of 44. I'll go back there. Yeah, you see this week, the average range is about $6.83, but this one is $10. Look at that. $10 move right there. That means something happened last week or the week before last week when we are on vacation. That week is huge. After the FOMC meeting, they decided to leave the rates unchanged, and that's where the rally coming. I think the mutual fund, pension fund, all the big money, they going and buy it by huge amount. That's the reason why it's really, outside of the norm, right? The average high and low for that week is about $6, right? $6.68. $6.86. Yes, $6.86. No, 83. $6.83. But the last week, the 44 week, is $10.30. It's almost $4 different right now. That's really a signal. All right, we are into first 24 minutes of today trading day, and today is Monday, November 30, 2023, and we are in the week 46. We are in the week of 46 of the year. 1 year we have 52 weeks, right? We are in 46 week, the week of 46. Yeah, so it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. I think it's gonna come down at least this level at 434. Look at this wick long candle. Look right here. I look at a long wick candle right here. What the heck is that? So it's gonna come down. I think gonna come down all right around this level 434.52 right there. Yep. But anyway, tomorrow we have a CBRE. Or we can do a total long right here is the 4 breakout. $38.59. See that? That will be total sub, right? 4 breakout. But is that too soon to go in here? Right, if we go in here, yeah, let's wait until 10:30 or so. Now it's breakout from this level. Basically take the sell side liquidity from here. Well, if we check this trade, then what is our we reach right there 0.16. And what is right here? We just do conservative right here. So 16 times 3, at least 1 to 2 reach raw ratio right there. So 16 times 3 will be 8, so 48. So 62 is more than 3 times of 16 right there. Maybe a lot of big money waiting on a sideline, and now time for them to buy. Because the last high we have is 460 something, right? So now it's 438 something. Let's see breakthrough here. Well, we in the first 30 minutes. So let's see if this level is hold. Good for break or gonna break through. Yeah, look like it's hold. You see it's close below above that and it open above that. Let's see. The price move cap slow right now. It's Monday and tomorrow is CPI data release, so I don't think it's in hurry. Okay, it tried the third time right here, but it got a push back very quick. Very powerful response right there. Wow, you can see that here. It's a head and shoulder pattern right here. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's see. So basically right here you see this is the head, right, and shoulder. That's the head and shoulder pattern right there. And it's on in the downtrend, right? So we want to play turtle soup on a 4 breakout. In this case, 4 breakdown right here, and that's the level we enter right there. Wow, beautiful entry. We put our stop loss down here. Only 16 cents. Man, that's amazing. So it haven't wrapped this buy sell quick yet. Let's see. And we are buy 10 by now. It is below the London low. It's now below the London low. So let's see. So it dropped the buy side now. Wow. Let's see it dropped this buy side already. So basically you have a trap order buy side right there. Then let's see if we're gonna take all this buy side already. For this trade, right, we put our stop loss right here, and we want to take our target around, around 930, so 63 cents right there. Let's see if we reach that target. So basically you don't want it to break down here the level. Let's see. I mean, after the big move on Friday, then on Monday we don't expect a big move at all. We expect a retracement, and is that what happening right now? It retrace to see if we hold back at this level and continue the uptrend. Then we know that the market not gonna go down. Wow, that's a huge move right there. Okay, so if we check this trade, you see, we hit our target right there. We hit, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio right there. Yeah, I think we're going around this. Yeah, I think that's our entry, and it come back right there. So we entry around here. If we know exactly where we're going, then we're good. Right there. So we can say total sub long setup. $438.59. It's just a quick trade, right? But it meet our objective, right? Which is the risk reward ratio. We want at least 1 to 3 risk reward ratio right there. $438.59 right there. And the target is open at 30, and the risk reward ratio is we risk 60 cents, and then we can, so 1 to 3 right there. Okay. We entry time around 09:57. And it hit the target at 10.14. We entry time 09:57. Right, we go in right here. So we are in the first 49 minutes of the trading day. Basically, it's still in the range of Friday, right? Let's remove this. So it retests this so-called breaker right here, right? Right here you had a breaker and favorable gaps. It retested breaker. Basically, it retests this breaker. So the short setup is still valid. Let's say it break through this breaker. Many huge down move right here get us scared, right? If we don't take profit right there, we're very scared. We'll give back a lot of our gain, our profit back, and it's not a comfortable position. And also they say that when we need to trail our stop loss. The reason that we need to trail our stop loss is because the risk reward ratio is changed. It's not static, right? When we enter right here, the risk reward ratio right here, because the price at this level, right? But when the price keep moving up, then the risk reward ratio is changed, and it makes sense. It takes me for a while to understand that. But anyway, it's good to be back, after more than a week vacation. Recharge, refresh our mind, and I will go back to the business. We kind of rusty, but things getting better. So it dropped this buy side and check this buy side, but at the same time you see that it's dropped this sell side right here. So basically the short supply is still in play, right? The breaker, displacement, favorable gap, and it's just retest. So if we short right here, it's still valid. if people short right here, a lot of people want to short right when it enter it at this area, they short it and they stop loss is above here. I think it's gonna come down and take this sell side right here. If we look on a 5 minutes time frame, that's what we see. Well, very interesting to see how it break out around this level. At this, how it break out this breaker, bearish breaker right there. If it failed to do that, then I think it logical it's gonna take out this sell side. Sell side. That's right. So if we are trade on Friday and we catch the big up move, then today we should not trade because it's very toppy today. After a big move, we're gonna retrace, and yeah, if like a different environment, then you can trade good on Monday. But after a big move, and if you make a lot of money profit on Friday, then you should stay away from Monday. But if you haven't participated trade on Friday and you want to make some money on Monday, then you can do that. But it's very toppy right there. Right now I just seek the so-called internal liquidity because it's still in the previous day, range right there. Let's look at the daily time frame. Wow, I think you're gonna break this one. You're gonna break this bullish breaker right there. It's retest color time right there. We think we're gonna break, but let's see. The market do what it's doing, regardless of what we are thinking this way or that way or not. Our job is not try to prediction, but based on probability. You see, so today it's just still in the huge range of Friday right there. So we wonder there's just a 4 breakout at that level. Let's see. The level is what's the level of this one? 438.27. 438.27 is it's down here. It's not touched yet. So it just wrapped this. Wow, it create equal high right there. You see the equal high? This candle and this guy is the equal high. So basically it create a buy liquidity trap right there. Let's say you're gonna break that. Well, look like gonna break it. We're gonna check this. Oh, it fell. It failed to do so, but let's see, it's too early, right? All right, with 10:30 now. 10:30 is for the R model. Are you gonna break that level or not? Let's see, just patient. Just patient. Wow, so if we are not X6 and we can induce this volatilities, then we make more money. That's the beauty of, you know, stay through the volatility. We'll get bigger reward, but we need to have a big stomach to stay in the trade right there. Look at this, it come down here, you know, we scare the heck out of, you know, ourselves right there. Also right here, big down. But if we stay in the trade, no moving stop loss right here, then we get the bigger reward. That's called conviction right there. So our target should be the new week opening gap, I guess. It's better. Let's see, it hit that. You see the candle, this 1 hour is second hour right there. So basically this one is the inside bar right there. All right, we will wrap up in about 7 more minutes. But let's see if we hit this new week opening gap low. It's our new week opening gap high right there, but it's a total soup. We can short it when it come out here. If we mix right here, so don't feel like we're mixing out, we still have a chance to short them right here. Wow, let's see it hit that target, right? New wick opening up. If we hit that target, then we have a bigger reward, right? We have 93, right? The previous reward is about 63, right? Now we have another 30 cents right there. Basically 2 more R, right? So we have 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio right there. So let's see. So whoever short right here got stop out after this move. Stop out, or the people who short. Let's see if we hit the targets or we're gonna be a short setup right here. The short setup gonna be auto block right here, right? And you have a paragraph displacement, and here is the retest. So we do have a short setup also right here. The second short setup play out right here. If we short, then our stop loss above this level right there. Let's see if short, another short setup right here. This short setup is no longer in play, got stop out. Let's see this short setup. Wow. Let's see. Gonna break the level, or it will be just a order block paragraph free test and then coming down, take this by sales liquidity. What time is it now? Oh, okay, so we are in the 35. If we look on the 5-minute time frame on the DR model, we see the DR high, the implied DR low, DR high, and there's the mid trend right here. So we still don't have the signal yet. So let's see if this one get rejected. It will be create a so-called retirement setup, which go all the way down here, or it just retrace around mid trend and continue to go up. The 2 scenario right there. Yeah, one thing I took learned, over the weekend when I read the book, said that we should not trade in the state of mind that fear and greed. In other words, we don't trade in the state of mind that we need to make money. We lack money. We need more money. We don't trade that. Right? Why we need more money? Well, because we say more money we make us more happy, right? More joy. But in order to do that, we have to do the opposite. We have to change our state of mind that we are happy. We don't need the money to be happy. We joy. When we turn our state of mind like that, we trade in that state of mind, then we will be a successful trader, and the money comes. It's just a byproduct. We don't change the outcome. That's the beauty right there. We have to rewire our brain, because our brain is just in the old state of mind that we change the outcome. Because we thought that the external influence, but actually the happiness, the joy come from inside. We decide we want to have happy joy, then we think ourselves we have that state. When we activate that state, then when we trade from that state, we will be success. We will look at the trade, at the markets with that state of mind. We will reduce the chatter, the judgment, the noise. We can take the trade easy. We can see the market as it is. Or they say that, we trade what we believe. But if our belief, our state of mind is wrong, let's say not wrong, but it's the wrong state of mind, like we trade our fear and our greed, then we will lose. We need to trade from the state of mind that abundant, right? We don't have to chase them. We have it, abundant. Then whatever comes, it's just a byproduct. We don't control the outcome. Let God of the universe, let the higher self, the divine order or divinity, the one that bigger than ourselves, like high ourselves, the universe control the outcome. Because the minute we try to control the outcome, we try to be right, then we will get into the state of my fear, right? Because when we take control, that means we fear. That's an idea. But when we let go the control, we will surrender, we will be happy. Then if we make mistakes, it's just very easy to us. We can eliminate the mistake easily. And we have to take responsibility for whatever mistake we make. Then we can make better. But if we don't take responsibility, we blame our mistakes or our failure on environment or on someone else. Then we will stay in the victim mentality or on a mental state right there. Then it's not helpful to us at all. Alright, I wanted to hit that level so we can close, but apparently it's not right now. But we run out of time, so we just going to keep 1 hour a day, so it's 1 hour now. All right, great. Thank you for your time, and see you in the afternoon in the end of the section for today. Bye for now, and have a wonderful day.